Across America, the lights are going out. The systems that powered the 20th century are breaking under the weight of the 21st. We've entered a national energy emergency. Somewhere out there, a company was born from a unique idea. Not to sell power, but to give it first, and tell the truth. Ovanova began as a simple fundraiser, helping communities learn and give through solar education. But when Ovanova saw how broken the process was, the cost, the confusion, the distrust, they decided to build the change themselves. That's when Ovanova stopped waiting and started building. Across 28 states, and after interconnecting with 60 utility companies, Ovanova has delivered the one thing every American deserves: resilient power. From homes to businesses. We've turned independence into infrastructure. Every project is proof, every circuit, every weld, every system done right. We don't chase trends. We build trust. Resilient systems isn't just our goal, it's our reputation. Ovanova's mission reaches beyond today's installs. We're engineering a future where power is smarter, more resilient, and secure. From software to microgrids to Ovanova PETs, we're uniting innovation and purpose. We're rebuilding the backbone of America's energy. This isn't just energy, it's the power that keeps families warm, businesses running, and communities resilient. We build for them. Ovanova's mission is to add as much value as possible to as many lives as possible. The world is changing, the grid is changing, and America is ready. We are Ovanova. We are America's energy team. Invest, partner, power the future.